So we'll want to start by turning the vehicle on. We're going to be using these left-hand steering wheel controls to control everything in our MID, which is the multi-informational display. So in order to start here, we're just going to press down, and that's going to reveal the bottom bar menu here, which we can go all the way to the right, which I'm just using these directional keys to go back and forth. But all the way to the right to the gear icon, that's the vehicle settings. Then if we can scroll all the way down, you're going to find vehicle settings. We're just going to press and hold the OK button. It's going to allow us to enter the vehicle settings. And if we go all the way down here, we're going to find a button for scheduled maintenance. And if we go ahead and press OK on that, it's going to give us a prompt to reset the maintenance data. This is going to basically reset the maintenance interval for 5,000 miles or 6 months before that maintenance required soon message comes back. But we're just going to go ahead and press OK on the menu there, and that's going to reset the maintenance